Citizenship and national identities are two different things. They rarely overlap. State can crumble, government can fail, countries can be disintegrated. National identities stay intact. Don't be fooled by superficial differences within a nation. When you ignite a resurgence of Somali nationalism, you can't curb it to specific regions like proper Somalia, Somaliland, or even Ogaden. Those of us who lived a few more winters than others saw this movie before. It doesn't work like that. You are uniting all Somalis against their historical foe. But having this insurgence of nationalism to go against Oromo nationalism would be a tragic mistake. There is no daylight between what the Oromos want and what Somalis want. There is no daylight between the dreams and aspirations of Oromos and Somalis. Two blood-related sibling communities were equally victims of the colonial empires of the late 19th century, which its impact and long hands still reverberates to this day. Ordinary innocent Oromo civilians are under a heavy, mechanized and Air Force full attack as we speak. Oromos can't receive such historical level barbarism from Abiy's government and be accused to be part of the execution of the empire's dream. Here's what Abiy Ahmed accomplished, pitting the two brotherly communities, Oromos and Somalis, against each other. Our Somali brothers and sisters need to know that the Oromo people are still victims and hostages of the Abiy government, and not responsible for whatever the Abiy government does. If Abiy has any success, his success is partially attributed to his ability to incubate the shittiest and most ridiculous ideas and use them to distract both the general population and his ardent elite political opponents. He can easily move their eyes from the ball. I have seen a fool sending a Happy Columbus Day card to a Native American. I have also seen a fool saying Happy Karamara Day to an Ugandan Somali or Ethiopian Somali. A 6-year-old child could know this.